In this video, we will see dry run of the code. So we have already understood most of the things in our function calling. Okay, but let's do a quick dry run here. Basically how this is working. So I have a one combination sum function, and inside this function, I am calling this find sum, right? So let me call this find sum with the candidates. Okay, so that will be the array, and I have a target. So what is the target? That is sum. Then I have a zero index, and my answer array will be like this one. Okay, and basically I have created one res. Okay, and I have created one answer. Okay, so once I have called this one, I will check is my target is equals to 0? No. Is my index is equals to array dot length? No. Then I will check is my array of I, that is 2, is less than equals to target. So yes, it is less than 7. So I will come here and I will do one function call as array. Okay, and I will first, before function call, I will push into my array index. So I will push 2. Okay, and my target will be target minus array index. So 7 minus 2, it will be 5. Okay, and index will be same. That means you can do more calls from here. Okay, so we create a 5. Okay, more calls means I can again call it fs array. Okay, and when I am calling it 5 minus 2, again it will be 3, and index will be same, and now one more 2 added. Okay, because again this will be target will be 0. I will again come here, again one function call. So once again function call, target is not equals to 0. Yes, it is equals to 3. Index is not equals to array dot length. Okay, again I will check is array of index is less than equals to target. Yes, 2 is again less than equals to target. So I will again call it. So now if I call it, now I will push it first. So if I push it, it will be 2 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, and target will be target minus array index, so it will be 1. Okay, and it will be 0. Now this again when this function call, when I will call this one, okay, when I will call this one, okay, again target is equals to 0, target is not equals to 0, target is equals to 1. So I won't execute this condition. Index is not equals to array length, so I won't execute this condition. Again I will check is my array of index is less than equals to target. What is array of index? That is 2. Is it less than your target? No, it's greater. So I will call this function now. So here I won't call this function. I will call this function where I will take the same array. Okay, target will be the same, but my index will be increased to 1. Okay, and I have the same answer. Right. So now my index at 1. Now first I will execute this function. Right. So I will execute this function. Is my target is equals to 0? No, target is 1. Is my index is equals to array length? No. Is array index is less than equals to target? Is 3. Is 3 is less than equals to target? No. Again I will call this function. So I won't call this one, and again I will call this function. Okay. So I will call this function fs prr of 1 comma 2 comma 2 2 2. Again I will, when I am executing this function, still target is not 0. Still index is not equals to array length. Still array of index 5 is not less than equals to target. Again I will do the same. So when I will again do the same call, okay, let me just decrease its size. Okay, so here, and I will do again one function call, it will be array of 1 comma 3, because I will come here index plus 1 and save array 2 comma 2 comma 2. Now, when I am executing this function call, is my target is 0? No. But is my index is equals to array length? Yes, that is equals to array length. So what I will do here, I will return from it. So I will return from here. Once I will return from it, okay. Now there was only this function call, and I have done it. So I will return from here as well. Now when I will return from here again, there was only this function call, done. So I will return from here as well. Right. Now when I will return from here, right, this was the only last function call, so I will return from here. Okay, now when I will come here, see, we have this too, right? Basically this function was called was when I will simply move ahead with this index, right? This is also done, this is also done. So where I will come here, right? And I will say answer.pop, right? So what I will do when I am coming here, I will do answer.pop, and because you can see the pop will be this result, right? I will come to here, and once pop, this function is also done, so it will reverse back. So this is the pop. Basically you can see the change of the state. This is the push, this is the pop. Okay, this is the pop, this is the pop, right? So basically pop will return that state into the same position. Okay, and see, like in one of the cases, like here, if I move ahead, I will get this target is equals to 0. Suppose if I am getting target is equals to 0, in that case I will simply push my answer. Basically I got 2 comma 2 comma 3, right? Then I will push into my res here, and I will return it. So basically it will work in this flow. I hope you got the dry run, basically how this function is working, how where pop is working, where push is working, and now you are good to solve all these types of variations of problems. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video with some new problem. Okay, that's it.